Hi, happy Flex Day. This is Mrs. Sproul. If you're watching this video clip, you have made it to the right spot. Today's Science Canvas agenda. Flex Day assignments are due by the start of next class. Please message me, Mrs. Sproul, with any questions. Please follow the steps on today's agenda in order as you work through your Flex Day assignments. Item number 1. You're going to watch a quick video clip on the parts of a cell. You will click the hyperlink. You will then see where this is launching at the lower left of your computer screen. Go ahead and click. And you may begin watching the quick video on the parts of a cell. Watching this quick video clip will help you better understand the gizmo that you will be working through. After you're finished watching the video clip on parts of a cell, please move on to item 2A. You're going to open and save the gizmo cell structure Word doc. You will click on the link to the file. Look for that file in the bottom left corner of your computer screen. You will need to enable editing. And what you will see here is you will have activity A. This is going to take you through an animal cell. The answers will be typed in the yellow highlighted text boxes. Then you'll move through to activity B, where this will take you on to plant cells. Once you have the gizmo cell structure Word doc saved, move on to 2B. Click on the hyperlink to gizmo. Get logged in. Here you will see a list of your gizmos. You will select cell structure. Let's get that gizmo launched. On this particular gizmo, you have a tab for animal cell. You have a tab for plant cell. You're going to begin with the animal cell. So you're going to click sample. And you're going to look at a sample cell underneath 1,000 times the normal size. You may zoom in to 2,000 times the normal size. You can zoom in again to 3,000 times the normal size. You can click and move the cell around to examine the organelles in closer-up detail if needed. I'm going to zoom back out. Okay, on the drop-down menu for this, it starts off with cell membrane. Let's move on to a different organelle. We'll say let's go to the nucleus. So when you click on a different organelle, this arrow will move and you will see the arrow pointing to the organelle that you have selected from the drop-down menu to the left. So here you can see where the organelle is located. Over here, you can see the function of that particular organelle. After you work through the animal cell, you will select the plant cell tab, and this functions just as the animal cell tab functioned. Once you have completed the gizmo cell structure Word doc, you're going to deliver the gizmo cell structure Word doc to Canvas. See your science to-do list or Thursday on the Canvas calendar for where you would deliver that. Next, you're going to be moving on to 2E. Answer the 5-question assessment below the launch gizmo. You do not need to submit your score anywhere. I will log into Gizmo to get your score. Take your time. The first attempt is what gets recorded. So let's look at the launch gizmo. Here's the launched gizmo. Underneath the launched gizmo, you will find the 5 questions. So take your time, make sure you're selecting the answer that you want to select. There are no redos on that particular part of the assignment. You will now have finished 1, 2A, 2B, 2C, 2D, and 2E. You have 1 item left, and that is to practice your vocabulary using Quizlet cells and cell structures. Click on a hyperlink. This will take you to the vocabulary words that you will need to become familiar with. There are 19 terms in all. So you choose a method on this Quizlet that works best for you so you can start learning the terms for this next upcoming study. Okay, so that's a wrap. That is your Flex Day for Science. Please message me if you have any questions. Have a good one.